Welcome back. Um, Weather's been pretty wet lately. Been working a lot of hours and um, working in between seasons here. But I wanted to talk about something. Um, when I got my first muzzleloader, I had a hell of a time with what I was cleaning and lubricating and rust preserving it with, or trying to, and I didn't have I didn't have the best locker. It wasn't so easy. Used more more natural or authentic or traditional stuff, whatever. But I, I'm not endorsed by these or this company, but if you use this stuff, you find out it's um, it's one of the best. You can so the way I clean the muzzleloader with it now is I got some mixed up in here, maybe up to here with that oil, and then the rest water, and then you have to shake it up. But I wouldn't go. Um, the more you want to clean out your salts that are formed, and say in the muzzleloader, the corrosive stuff, you need water to break it down. But this emulsifies with water, and the advantage of that is you can put it down your bore. So I'll plug the nipple off. My process to clean this now is I'll block this off. I got either a couple layers of deer hide that I have, or you can have like a pencil eraser or a rubber folded up rubber glove, something like that. But anyway, a piece of leather you could put in under the hammer and close it down, and that'll seal off enough. And then you stand this up against a bench or something, but and fill it right up to the muzzle, and let it sit there a couple hours or whatever. Doesn't matter. But so you let it sit there, and the water breaks down the salts. But it since it's emulsified with this oil, the oil's has rust preservatives, and it's stuck to the entire surface. So you can wipe the whole gun down with any mix of this with water or just straight. But that's what I'll do. I'll let that solvent sit in the barrel for hours, and I'll pour it out, and then I'll patch it a few times, and then I might fill it up again and let it sit. And I'll even overnight. I'll wipe down the outside with some of it until the residue, the fouling is off, and then I'll wipe it with straight oil, that ballistol oil. But that is, I haven't had any rust on it since I started using that stuff, and it just makes life so much easier. I don't tear it down as much as I used to. I'd take the lock off, and I thought, those people back in the day didn't go through that. There's no way. There's too much of a chance of losing small parts out in the wild. So anyway, that's and then after I let it sit, I'll empty it out, patch it again, and then even after I have the dirty stuff, I have some the stuff I used before. I'll start with that, and then the second round might be something newer, and then finish it up with just straight oil on the patch after you patch it out. But there might be some gray residue, but I don't pull rust out of them anymore. So I hope that helps. I wish I had known about it when I started using the muzzleloader and having to deal with it. But anyway, we're gonna be turkey hunting before real long, and we got some other things going on. Maybe do a climb video and show some of that stuff. I'm not sure why those don't get that many views or that much attention, because I think it really is a system that would benefit a lot of people to use. But anyway, I hope this helps. Thanks for stopping by.